Hey everybody, it's Lynnea here for Pink and Main, and today we are hopping over on Instagram and showing off some of our favorite holiday products and just creating a fun holiday card hop. So I will be sure to leave the link to my Instagram below in the video description so you can join in on the Instagram hop there. I am going to be creating a set of 5 easily mass-produced holiday cards with a bit of glam. So here I have the Pink and Main Blizzard stencil, and this is a large stencil, about 6 by 9, and I'm going to be creating 4-bar sized cards. So my cards are 3.5 by 4 3/4, I believe. They're 4-bar sized, so they're mini. They're smaller than an A2 sized card. And that's one thing that I like to do when I'm mass producing is either go with a standard A2 size or something maybe even a little bit smaller. And I went smaller purposely for this set because I knew I wanted to use some gold glitz glitter gel over this Blizzard stencil, and I was trying to think of a way to make my glitzing even faster. This is really quick and easy to add glitz glitter gel over a stencil, but I was trying to think of a way to make it faster, and I thought, well, if I go with a smaller card, I'm going to be able to put 2 card fronts on the stencil at once. So that is just what I did. I sprayed the back of the Blizzard stencil with some pixie spray, and then I stuck 2 card fronts on here at once and spread that gold glitz glitter gel over. Then I'm just going to carefully remove those cards and set them aside to dry. They don't take long, probably about 30 minutes, and in fact by the time I was done creating the images for my cards and coloring, my backgrounds were dry. So I could create 5 cards all in one sitting, and all 5 cards together only took me 45 minutes to an hour, so that is not bad at all. I went ahead and scraped all the excess glitz glitter gel off of my stencil, and I put 2 more panels onto the back. I didn't even clean the stencil. I just stuck them right on the back, and I'm going to go ahead and go over this stencil again, creating 2 more panels. And I would, if I was making a whole bunch of these, I could keep going and going and going until that pixie spray loses its stickiness. There are times when I have washed my stencil with soap and water and it still has a little bit of pixie spray residue on there, so you could create a lot of cards before you really have to clean your stencil and respray. I'm going to be using the Pink and Main Snow Sweet Stamp and Die set, and this is the November stamp and die of the month. Absolutely love these little snowmen. When I'm mass producing, I like to find ways to make my life easier and make things come together quicker. So one of the ways was what I already showed you. I went with 4-bar sized cards so that I could stencil 2 backgrounds at once instead of just doing one at a time. I also like to either completely eliminate coloring from my cards or go with easy to color images because I don't color quickly and I'm not a masterful colorist. So when I'm mass producing winter cards and I want a colored image, I almost always go with snowmen because snowmen are white and you only need a little bit of color to color those guys in. So I went with some blue-green markers. I think I used BG quadruple and 000. Very, very light blue-green markers just to give that hint of cold to their little bodies. Then I'm going to simplify the coloring even more by sticking to just some easy Christmas colors, or not really Christmas, but wintry holiday colors, because these could be little cards for any time of the winter. They don't necessarily need to be for Christmas. But I stuck with a traditional red and green color combination, and I also have a pink and a turquoise color combination. If you wanted to make this go even quicker, you could just stick to 2 colors and color all 5 snowmen just with those 2, 3 couple markers. Took me no time at all to color these up, and I also stamped some sentiments from that Snow Sweet stamp set. And I'm going to cut out these images, so I will use the coordinating Snow Sweet die set for those snowmen. And then I have a die from the large sentiment strip die set, and I'm going to easily cut out those sentiments, and it's going to give me a little flag banner edge. So all 5 of my background panels are dry, and all I'm going to do is add some foam tape behind a snowman, grab a sentiment strip, and pop these up right in the center of my cards. So easy to do. The background really does all the work for me, and then those cute little images You just can't go wrong with a cute little snowman on your winter cards. So that is it. 5 cards ready to go. And these are easily mailable because there's not a whole lot of dimension, so you don't need any extra postage for these wintry cards. Thanks so much for joining me on this easy mass producing card video. Remember that this video is part of an Instagram card hop, so I will leave the link to my Instagram account below in the video description so that you can hop along and join in the fun and see a lot more wintry inspiration from Pink and Maine. On the screen now are just a couple more videos that I thought you might like. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you soon. Bye!